Okay, welcome to another video. Today is a bit of a special day because today is Community Pack Walk Day. So, papunta tayo ngayon sa Greenfield sa Mandaluyong to meet with some of our friends, and actually hindi ko alam kung sino yung mga pupunta. Pero the idea is to go on a pack walk, which is free, by the way. And we invited some dog people, some dog lovers to bring their dogs with them on a Saturday afternoon to experience what it's like to walk with a pack. Pero first order of business before we go there, we're actually on our way to pick up some dogs na isasama natin sa pack walk. Tayo lang first. Tayo. Tayo, inside.
Umihi ka dyan, Tyler, ha?
Ready? Go. Okay, I think we should try to explain first. Bakit ba? Ano ba yung the whole idea behind the pack walk? To me, the reason why I do it and the reason why I'm organizing such an event is because I want people to experience their dogs in a different way. Meaning, you know, the walk really is so profound. Like it means it's everything. It's everything, not just for your dog, but between you and your dog. This is where you're really able to develop that relationship, practice your communication, and you know, kasi I think for most Filipinos or most people in general, yung walk, it's pasyal, it's potty, it's sniff, and the walk are those things naman. Tama naman yun. Pero ang sa akin lang, the walk can be and should be so much more than that. And that really is my goal, my mission, if you will. The reason why I invite people to join us for free, diba? Because I want people to experience their dogs in a different way. Na number one, the way that their dogs socialize. Most people nagsasocialize lang yung mga dogs nila pag nasa park, nagtititigan lang sila, diba? And then you don't know, it's a 50-50. Parang minsan mag-aaway, minsan magmamount or whatever. It's because I think for most people, no, they don't really understand what's going on. So parang sasabihin nila, lalaki yung aso mo, o babae ay kaya ganyan, di ba? Or parang whatever, di ba? Or dahil big dog siya, small dog to, kaya sila nag-away, kaya sila ganyan. It really doesn't have anything to do with those things, but it has to do with the humans not really understanding their dogs. And that's what I hope to start to change man lang, at least, no, to make people more aware. And also, you know, it's something that I want to mention later on when I brief the owners for the walk, na, you know, I want you guys to this is a great chance to really observe your dogs, for who they really are, na meaning yung pagkaaso nila, or yung kung sino sila bilang isang aso, di ba? Like, malaro ba sila? Mahiyain ba sila? Are they confident? Are they nervous? All these things you can observe, and you can start to develop or improve. Kung meron man silang mga behavioral issues, it's really through working on your walk. Like, gaano kaganda ba yung walk mo with your dog? Because that, to me talaga, that's a representation of your connection, your communication, and your relationship, diba? If your dog is pulling you, it says a lot about your relationship, diba? If the leash is always tense, It says a lot about your relationship. If you end up carrying your dog all the time, diba? It says a lot about your relationship. If your dog is whining when you're walking, it says a lot about your relationship. So, yun. So, sana sana yun yung makita ng mga tao, and sana yun yung makita nilang benefit or yung value of going for a long walk with your dog, with other dogs, because that's the best way for them to make friends. Doing things that pack members do, diba? What do pack members do? As packed animals, ano pong ginagawa nila? Naglalakad sila together, they migrate together. So if you want dogs to be to develop this sort of friendship between one another, and friendship doesn't mean laro palagi ha. It means, you know, being able to socialize, being neutral around other dogs, walang mga you know, extreme na behaviors na sobrang nervyos, sobrang excited, di ba? Yun yung tingin kong kaya importante yung pack walk. So tingnan natin kung sino-sino yung mga pupunta later. Anyway, nakuha na natin yung mga dogs natin. Si Tyler and si Theo. Yan. So nagkasya naman sila sa sa likod ng car.
Collateral damage. Hello. This is Cassie.
Huwag siya tawagin mo siya.
Guys, short briefing for those who are joining the walk. Briefing lang, one day. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining the walk. So few pointers before we start. Number one, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Miguel. I am a dog walker and behaviorist. And then with me, assisting us today is Jeng. So Jeng is also a dog expert. So the structure of the walk is gonna be me in front, and then si Jeng sa pinakadulo. Okay, so you have someone in front and then someone at the very back. So the length of the entire walk will be about 30 to 45 minutes long, depending on our pace, depending on the pace of the dogs. And then if you guys fall behind for whatever reason, nag-poop, nag-pee, okay lang. Don't rush. We'll wait for you or just catch up. Okay? Basta si Jeng naman yung nasa pinakadulo eh. So as long as you're in between me and Jeng, you're inside the pack.
So kung mayroong mahuli, huwag lang magmadali because I'm always at the back.
Yeah.
Kailangan kasi may sweeper. So kung mahuli ko ng konti yung aso niya nag-poop, okay lang, hintayin ko kayo. Then keep it siya buka. Tyler Theo.
Okay, and then last, if the dogs get either too excited or too annoyed, just give a bit of distance to whoever the dogs are being annoyed or excited towards, okay? Otherwise, I'll start na, and then everyone just sort of fall in, and then yeah, we'll go around. Dito lang tayo.
Okay.
Second goes. Yeah.
Second.
recap of the community pack walk. So surprised with the outcome. So much more people than I expected, to be honest, and so happy to see familiar faces. Most of them I've worked with before. Either they were my clients or nilakad ko yung mga dogs nila. Tapos natawa ako kasi may pumunta si Miss Vian, I think her name was. Wala siyang dalang dog, and like I always say dun sa post ko, whenever I post community pack walks, I encourage people who don't have dogs or thinking about getting a dog, or maybe you have a dog hindi mo lang sinama. It's a perfect opportunity to experience what it's like to be around other dogs, no? Especially if hindi ka sanay, to experience the energy, to experience, you know, yung activity na yun, you're sharing that common activity. Yun lang. And again, super happy with the outcome, and hopefully in the future mas marami pang sumali. Yun lang naman. So if you watched until the end of the video, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, as they say, and follow us on Instagram as well. Mas updated doon. At least for now, it's at Ben's Dog Walking Club on Instagram. Otherwise, happy for you guys to leave your comments below if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions on what you want to see in the future.